Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today we've got LynB Designs. We were on a break. I've started off this one with Nailtiques Formula 2. It's my base coat. And this is LynB Designs. We were on a break. Oh, it's so pretty. I got this from Hella Handmade Creations. It's kind of like polish pickup. And this is, of course, based off of Friends. You guys know I'm a junkie for those, Friends and Harry Potter polishes and that 70s show. And so look at that first beautiful coat. Excuse me. I like it. Gonna cap my free edge real quick. And it is a thermal. I forgot to mention that. It is definitely a thermal. And it's so pretty. I love the change on this one. It was actually like a tri-colored thermal. I don't know that I got any really good pictures of that though. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get this one to dry down so that we can do some stamping. Gotta get some more top coat on my brush here. It's just, I love those flakies in it. So here's a photo of it on its own. I'll be using this Cici and Sisi plate today. And it's Cici and Sisi 09, I believe. But I'm going to get this blue film off of it. And get it cleaned up and ready to go. Lots of cool images on this plate. This is one that Miss Becky sent me. Excuse me. Get that plate clean, girl. Go at it. I'll be using this Maniology pewter today to stamp with. And I'm going to use this image right here. I believe on most of the nails, except for my accent nail. I am eyeballing another image for that one. But we'll see. You never know. I'm going to clean that stamper off on a lint roller. And I always clean the plates off with pure acetone with no additive or anything extra in it because those oils can interfere with stamping plates and getting clean picked up images off of them. Here we go. These are just kind of like little stars. Not like true stars, but like kind of like the diamond stars. I'm just plunking along. So I did a video on all the Cici and Sisi plates and a few other big plates that Miss Becky sent me, and the video was so long, it was like 30 minutes, almost 30 minutes long, and for whatever reason I cannot get it to upload. So I guess I'm going to have to break it up or re-record it. I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments whether you're even interested, if I should mess with it, and if you would mind me just kind of chopping up the video I already have. We could do that. Oh, that one didn't take in one of the spots, but I'm just going to roll with it. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up any of this excess. And then I'm going to top this one with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I love the thermal on this. It's like a blurply blue, purpley color. And then it's got this pink stage that it goes to. And then it also goes clear. So when it does that tri-thermal, it's just stunning. Oh my goodness. Look at my free edge here real quick. And here comes my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.